All right, we are going to be looking at reinforced cement concrete beam, but we'll be considering the type of beam section. So we'll be considering basically three types of beam section. The first one is the balance section, the second one is under balance section, and the third one is what is over reinforced concrete. Now, by the time we say balance, the word balance means equilibrium. That is, two things, they are at equilibrium. So if you look at this diagram, where you see that the actual neutral axis and the critical neutral axis, they are what equal. So this S with A here is our actual neutral axis. So it means actual neutral axis is equals to what the critical neutral axis. So that's the first thing you need to note here. Now, the second thing you need to note here is that the permissible strength of steel and the permissible strength of steel and concrete. The permissible strength of steel and concrete are achieved at the same time. The permissible strength of steel and concrete is achieved at the same time. That's the second thing that you need to note. And the third thing that you need to note here is that failure of steel and concrete occur at the same time. The failure of steel and that of concrete occur at the same time. All right, so that's everything about the balance section. So for the under balance section, if you look at this well, you are going to observe that our actual neutral axis is lesser than the critical neutral axis. I hope you can see that. From this point to this point is our actual neutral axis. From this point to this point is our what? Critical neutral axis. Is that clear? So you need to note that the actual neutral axis is lesser than the what? The critical neutral axis. So that is the first thing you need to note. And another thing you need to note here is that the permissible strength of steel is less compared to that of concrete. Now, the permissible strength of steel is less compared to what? That of concrete. So that is another thing you need to note here. And another thing you need to note here is that the failure of steel takes place prior to what? The failure of concrete. The failure of steel takes place prior to what? The failure of concrete. Is that there? And another thing you need to note here is that this type of failure is also known as ductile failure. This type of failure is also known as what? Ductile failure. Is that clear? Now, the last but not the least is the over reinforced concrete. Over reinforced concrete. You will observe that our actual neutral axis is greater than what? The critical neutral axis. That is why it is what? Over reinforced concrete. By the time the actual neutral axis is greater than the critical neutral axis, we are going to have over reinforced concrete. But by the time it is lesser, we are going to have under balance section. But by the time they are equal, we are going to have a balance section. All right, so under this over reinforced concrete, the first thing you need to note here is that the permissible strength of steel is greater compared to that of what? Compared to that of concrete. The permissible strength of steel is greater compared to that of steel. Just the inverse of what we have here. All right, and the failure of concrete takes place. The failure of concrete occur prior to what? Prior to that of what? To that of the steel. Is that clear? The failure of concrete occur prior to the failure of steel. That is another thing you need to understand. And this kind of failure is also known as what? Brittle failure. So these are the major points that you need to note under types of beam section. Is that clear? I believe this all of these beam sections are clearly explained. You can comment that in the comment section, and if you still have any further question, you can drop in the comment section. We are going to respond to you quickly. Now, don't forget that we have a well structured and written material. This material is specially written by us, and you know anything written by us is always top notch. So it covers all examination. It cut across different institutions around the globe. Is that clear? So we have gathered all the materials for you. If you need them, just send us a direct message via our WhatsApp or via our email. Our address is on our description. You can go there and send us a direct message. You can also order any material on bending stresses in a beam, on shear force and bending moment, and so on and so forth, on any course at all that we have dealt with in this channel. Exactly. All right, and peradventure, if today is your first time coming across our content, do well to give this video in terms of like, comment, and subscribe. And mind you, don't forget to share this video with your friends who might be in need of them. Thank you.